Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. So today I'm going to play the what's the best weapon game. So I have played in the past video. I've played with the KN44 and the XR2. I have made 15 kills with this one and 12 with this one. It's not pretty good, so I need to focus on my thing. So for today we are going to play with the HF key 30 and with the ISR 1. So um wait, it's full auto, so that's great. Yeah, we are going to play first with the HF key. So yeah, I see it's a bronze weapon, so maybe we can fight some bronze things. No, that's more red actually. The fuck is this? Nah. Maybe with this brown or something, I don't know. Yeah, I like this one. So optics. What? What the? Oh no, you can't say what the fuck you want. Nope. Reflex. All right, that's the normal one. So I guess I'm going for the normal one. Yeah. Then attachments, I'm going to do the extended max and the fast mag. So yeah, that looks great. Yup. And the rest is the same actually. So now the next weapon is the ISR 1 or C actually, CR. So personalized, it's gray, so we can do this one, but I don't like it actually. Maybe, yeah, what the fuck is this? There's not a lot of gray. Maybe this red one? Nah. Now we are going for this one. Yeah, I like this. Some reflex or recon. I'm going for the recon again. Maybe this one. And again, the extended max and the fast max. It's important, people. So yeah, we are going to do it. Set of game, change map, combine. I don't know. It's yeah, team deathmatch. As you know. Wait, not 10 minutes, you son of a bitches. 3 minutes, 0 points. I don't know. Limited. Go back. Right, see. 10. Alright, we are going for 10. No, don't leave the lobby and start a match, you piece of shit. So, alright. Alright. So I'm going to play the campaign. Yeah, one day. I don't know when, but I'm going to play it. So I'm looking for it. Guys, leave in the comments what I must play on the PS4 for you guys, what you want to see on my channel. So I will do that for you, but leave it in the comments that I know what I need to play for you. But you need to know I can't play online, so that's a little bit shit. So yeah, but the match is beginning in 5 seconds, so that's great. CDP. I don't know what the fuck is CDP. Yeah, yeah, the side, yeah, it's great. It's reflex, alright. Reflex is actually always great. So yeah, that's the first kill. That's the second kill. Where the fuck did you go? Yeah, there's the third kill. Oh my god, I'm going great right now. Yes, this is fucking awesome, motherfuckers. No oh no. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing?
UAV, ready for tasking.
Oh no! Oh, I had 6 kills. Alright, that was great. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh, he flied with me.
Deploy UAV in my AO.
Right, UAV.
Either turn sensors or capture your objective.
Yeah.
Threat neutralized.
Okay. So where the
Midway,
no,
UAV fuel
yes.
check complete.
Now I killed you, motherfucker. No, what the fuck? Why are they flying always? Come on, man. No, no. Oh my god, I had a double kill. Yes, I'm already on 10.
Neutralized.
Wait, huh? I haven't killed it. Oh yes, I killed him. Alright. Then I have nothing. What the hell was that? But oh no. No! What? No! 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 Oh no, that doesn't count. Yeah, it's min 1, so because it doesn't count. So shit.
UAV awaiting
Oh.
orders.
No! I don't care.
Hailstorm on standby.
Yes, I have already. Oh no! Don't fucking.
Shut out.
Right, I have 1 minute and I've already more than 20 kills, I guess. No, I have 20 kills, so that's great. Yes, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Where the fuck did you wait? Reload. Go, 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 go. Oh no, what? No, 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 I'm stuck here. Yes, no. Oh, yeah, alright. What the hell was that? What the hell was that, people? What the hell? No! Yes! Yes! I'm great! Oh my god, oh my, alright, 20 minutes, 20, well, wait, 20 seconds, I mean, no. Alright, I'm doing a great job right now. Yes, come on, come on. Shit. 30. Oh no! Wait the hell? Yes, 30 people! That's awesome. Alright, I like this gun. I like this gun. Yeah. That's great. You can see the left kill, piece of shit. It's on that woman. It's a headshot. It's a headshot. Yeah. And then I get killed. But that doesn't get a point. But yeah, that was a great one. I'll see you in the next game. I'm with the ISR1. So yeah, I hope I can kill some people I need more than 30 kills. So that's a hard one, but maybe I can get it. So that's awesome. Yeah, we started. Alright. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? No, 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 not now. Where the fuck did you go? You piece of shit. No, what the hell? He had a shotgun. He had a shotgun. That doesn't count, motherfucker. Actually, I had 29 because I have killed someone with my fist, so that doesn't count with the past weapon. So actually, yeah, I need to change it. I need to change it, people. That doesn't count. So it's 29. Alright, I like this weapon. Actually, I really do. No, fuck! Double kill, shit. Alright, 3-1, but I'm not. Oh, shit. Yes, we are making rounds. Alright. Oh, triple kill. I like it. I hope I can make some. How did you call it again? In Black Ops 2 it's called shit. When you have 5 kills and you don't die. Oh my god, how does it call again? I don't know, but it was awesome. So where the fuck are you guys? The hell? Come on. Oh my god, shit. In my back. You piece of shit. I will come to your home and fuck your dad. No, no, no. I'm not going to do that. Yes, alright. That are 2 ladies down. Oh shit. Alright. No, no, no. Fuck, kill the lady. Kill the lady. Oh my god, I haven't touched her. Oh my god. Alright. So let's find the guys. No, what the hell was that? Oh, you're there. No. No. Come back. Come back, you mother. Where the fuck did you go? He's gone. He's fucking gone. Oh, there they are. Oh my, what the hell is happening with me? I have only 9 kills and a kill. Oh my god. Shit. I didn't saw her. No. No. Yes. I'm not going to make the to the dirt 230, guys. I'm really sorry. Oh no. No, what the fuck? Come back. Come back, you piece of shizzle. No, I have no sight. No! Oh my god, alright, 13 kills, that's not good. That isn't good. Oh my god. What am I doing with my life? Shit. Yeah, I had no sight. Shizzle. But yeah. Oh. It was not good. I can do better with this weapon, so yeah. But actually, this is the end of this video. If you like it, yeah, please like the video and subscribe, because there are going to be awesome videos on my channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.